Hello guys, just had this from the Cubicle, nice little order, bit of a weird video, got to hold the phone, let's cut into this and see what we've got. So I think in total this was about £1,000, can't really remember what's in it, which is hard with one hand, but I mean we're about to find out. Throw that away. Here we go. And we've got some poppers. Oh, well. We've got to have some fun with these, haven't we? Invoice, I hope. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Oh, what's in that? I have no idea. Oh, that's very heavy. Don't know what's in there. What's this? Little receipt. Cubicle.com, puzzles for everyone. Yay. Oh, another heavy one. That feels like a big bottle of something. And something else that's quite heavy. Oh, let's get that box out of the way. Okay. Oh, how do I do this with one hand? Oh, I can't do it. I'm going to put you guys down. Okay, we're back. Got into it. It's silk. Loads of silk. And we're open. Got loads of D&M. I'm hoping loads more D&M. Oh, look at all that D&M. Okay, another one. We've got loads of Cubicle Black. Still got loads of this in stock, so we thought we'd just top up, just get a little bit. Chuckle that to the side. Oh, do we do this one next? Oh, it's the last one. We've got to do this one next. And it's open. This is the piece de resistance. This is the main reason we ordered from the Cubicle. And it's Mystic, the new organic lube. Haven't read too much about this, watched a few videos, look quite good. Thought we'd get it in for all our UK and European customers. Pull it out. There we go, look at that, all that Mystic. And that is what £1,000 worth of lube looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this on to the website, Cube's website. I think that's everything. Thank you for watching, guys. Bit of a weird, odd video, but good to see. See you soon.